Hey, are you looking for a good quality Bluetooth headphone from Aliexpress? I have fixed the headphones of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links to the headphones are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. This video is sponsored by couponsview.com. Here you will find all flash deal offers and coupon discount codes from various popular e-commerce sites like AliExpress, Amazon, and others. You will get the link in the description box. So let's start the video. In at number 5, the best headphone is Oneodio A9 Hybrid Bluetooth Headphone. The A9 has an intuitive design with a comfortable fit and great battery life, making it an excellent choice when you want a convenient and long-lasting wireless listening experience. The Oneodio noise-canceling headphone is the best pair of headphones that Oneodio has ever released. These headphones also have a lightweight design that is comfortable to wear for hours. They feature an easy-to-use combination of touch controls and physical buttons that you can access without looking. Already this headphone price is $63.97. The improved hybrid active noise cancelling technology with AMS's 3415 chip reduces low-frequency sound by up to 96%. Oneodio A9 active noise cancelling headset allows you to deeply focus and immerse in your favorite tunes. The stunning active noise cancelling function can work well both in wireless and wired mode. The fully wrapped over-ear headphones are equipped with upgraded soft ear cushions, 90-degree swiveling ear cups, and an ergonomic headband in minimum weight. With a handy folding design, you can easily fold them into the included storage case to carry along or store away. The headphone has superior bass sound. The dual 40mm drivers of this over-ear Bluetooth headset. The noise-canceling built-in microphone delivers crystal-clear speech clarity for business and personal calls even in the busiest of environments. It has 500 mAh powerful battery. Up to 30 hours of battery life on a single charge keeps you listening instead of charging all the time. Additionally, you are allowed to enjoy unlimited music playing by connecting the Bluetooth headphones with the included audio cable when the battery is low. Oneodio A9 Bluetooth headphones represent you an exceptional listening experience anytime and anywhere without disconnection or break. Purchasing the headphones, you will enjoy 24-hour professional service, 30-day full amount of money back, 24-month quality warranty, and 365-day technical support. In at number 4, the headphone is Cowin E7 Pro Bluetooth Headphone. The Cowin E7 noise-canceling headphones have satisfied hundreds of thousands of consumers with great sound quality, deep powerful bass, comfortable protein ear pads, long playtime, and advanced active noise-canceling technology. Recently this headphone price, $89.98, active noise-canceling technology. Significant noise reduction for travel, work, and anywhere in between. Advanced active noise reduction technology quells airplane cabin noise, city traffic, or a busy office. Which makes you focus on what you want to hear. The noise cancellation function can work well both in wire and wireless mode. It has proprietary 45mm large aperture drivers. Deep, accurate bass response. The active noise cancelling around-ear headphones from Cowin give you crisp, powerful sound and quiet that helps you enjoy your music better. Cowin E7 provides a high-quality built-in microphone for hands-free calls, which is convenient for you to free yourself from wires. NFC pairing aided by voice prompts promises a quick and stable connection with your Bluetooth-enabled devices. The professional protein earpad and 90-degree swiveling ear cups. More durability and comfort. Enjoy high-quality, long-listen comfort. Please take off the headphone every 2 to 3 hours to get your ears to relax. In order to get better hearing enjoyment, and keep the head comfortable. It services 30 hours of playtime per charge at Bluetooth mode. A built-in 750 mAh battery won't allow your headphone power off. You can enjoy your world without noise for 30 hours a long time. Don't need to worry about the power shortage problem on the long travel. In number 3, the headphone is JBL E55BT, Quincy Edition Wireless Headphone. The JBL E55BT is an attractively designed over-ear Bluetooth headphone that is relatively comfortable, sounds decent, and works reliably. It folds up and flat and has a decent battery life. Now this headphone price is $144.98. The legendary producer Quincy Jones has fully endorsed and added his personal touch to the renowned JBL sound as found in theaters, arenas, and studios around. As an additional endorsement, one of the most revered names in sound has lent his voice to guide the listener through various headphone functions. 20-hour battery life. Enjoy an entire day of playlists and movies and quickly recharge the headphone in 2 hours. The JBL E55BT Quincy Edition headphones are Bluetooth connected, and as such you will want to consider that connection and the battery life of the headphones. The headphones feature a standard Bluetooth connection with a 10-meter range. Effortlessly switch from music on your portable device to a call from your phone, so that you never miss a call. It has a detachable cable with a one-button universal remote and microphone. When in wired mode, the tangle-free cable with universal remote allows for easy music control and hands-free calls. This headphone made with carefully selected soft leather and equipped with form-fitting ear cushions. The JBL E55BT features a comfort-fit, lightweight design, so you can enjoy your music to the fullest. At second place the headphone is Sony WH-H800. Already this headphone price is $155. The Sony H800 on 2 mini wireless headphones from Sony utilizes a pair of 39.9mm neodymium drivers, and Bluetooth technology with LDAC support to deliver high-resolution streaming audio. You can customize settings using the free companion app, which enables you to listen to your music the way you prefer. These headphones feature a comfortable, ergonomic design that folds up for easy portability when not in use, so you can enjoy your music all day long. These mini headphones include a built-in rechargeable battery that can deliver up to 24 hours of audio playback. In case you are in a hurry, that battery can also deliver up to 90 minutes of playback on only a 10-minute charge. Lightweight, ergonomic, and comfortable, the headphones are easy to wear all day long and fold up when not in use. You can enjoy the subtle nuances of studio-quality sound with high-resolution audio, which can make it feel like the artist is performing right in front of you. LDAC transmits more data than conventional Bluetooth wireless connections, so you get enhanced sound quality that is closer to high-resolution audio. By restoring the high-range sound lost in compression, the Sony Headphones Connect app lets you tweak equalizer settings, choose surround sound presets, and more. With up to 24 hours of battery between charges, you can enjoy wireless playback all day long. If you are in a hurry, you can get 90 minutes of playback from just 10 minutes of charging. And at number 1 the headphone is Bose QC35 wireless Bluetooth headphone. Bose's quiet comfort headphones come with noise cancelling, and they are among the best at drowning out unwanted noise. If you are in the market for noise-canceling headphones, the QC35 should be near the top of your shortlist. Now this headphone price is $318.84. The headband and ear cushions on the QC35 headphone is made with synthetic leather material and provides soft padding, which caused us no wearing fatigue after hours of wear. These headphones are extremely well built and durable, yet are still lightweight enough to be comfortable. Weighing in at just 235 grams, they definitely weight in well. These headphones operate with Bluetooth version 4.1, which supports aptX and LDAC codecs. This headphone gives out quality sound. It is best for use with any kind of music. It has 3 levels of active noise cancellation feature which will cancel all external noise. Bose Quiet Comfort 35 headphones can operate with either wired or wireless connection technology. It comes with a 3.5mm audio cord. Therefore, in case you are out of power, you can easily switch to wired connections. This headphone comes with a lithium-ion battery, which is rechargeable. This battery has a lifetime of up to 20 hours with a single charge and an active noise cancelling feature on. Also, you can use the added audio cable, which can allow you to listen for about 40 hours. The product has a micro USB charging port and it comes with a USB charging cable for recharging when the power drains. The USB cable measures 30.5 centimeters. With a quick charge of 15 minutes, you will have a playtime of 2.5 hours. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.